Видел Мирски замък, но, к сожалению, ја не увидел што вибори били проведени соодветствие стандардама ОВСЕ. На виборах важна не только буква закона, но и гражданско доверие к процесу. So in this context, I would like to continue that we have noticed in our assessments that there is a substantial lack of confidence into the electoral process by many election stakeholders concerning this particular competition for the House of Representatives in the Republic of Belarus. In that sense, I would like to continue with some of the issues I have started mentioning, and most of all, I would like to emphasize the formation of the commissions. I think that concerning the formation of the precinct and district electoral commissions, the level of representation of all political stakeholders was not balanced.